Hi everyone, happy Sunday. Haven't done a whole lot today at all. It's already in the afternoon and I didn't get motivated until about 3 o'clock. We sat around and watched movies pretty much all morning. Can you believe it? Yeah, talk about rest day. Yeah, we did that. So I'm having an afternoon shake and I am choosing blueberry cheesecake. There's my almond milk and the shake mix. I just got done making my husband's chocolate covered strawberry using the fresh strawberries, or technically frozen, but and the chocolate Cardia Care mixed in. He said I'm becoming a pro at doing these, so there you go. This is day 6. Everything's going pretty well. I haven't lost any weight yet, but that's alright. I gotta get my butt in gear and exercise. That's the big part of it. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna do this and I'll be back later. Just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Does it look good? It is good. It tastes good. Blueberry cheesecake. Yum.
Face to face, I am yours, Jesus, you are mine. And it's gonna be a good day, finally we'll see. Celebrate, Jesus is alive. He's alive. Oh, happy day, happy day.
Oh my gosh, was that not exciting or what? I love hummingbirds and I can't believe I got them on camera again. Actually her, I think that was a female. And for so long. Isn't that awesome? Awesome, awesome. I'm standing right here, kind of like in the middle of the tree. And between these 2 branches here. So the camera is not zoomed in at the moment, but I did have it zoomed in. I myself am probably about 2.5, 3 feet away. Awesome! I'm so excited. Yes! Yes! Doesn't that look appetizing? My dinner. Tuna fish and cottage cheese. Sharing the same bowl. My daughter was absolutely disgusted.
I like them both, but if you mix them together, that's not right. Guess what? Okay, just tried a little ginger thing. Got it. Almost puked my friggin' guts out. Ew.
Thank you, Kara.
Ew, don't eat ginger.
Okay, so yeah, this is what Kara just tried. It was a freebie from work and says it's delicious nuggets of baby ginger root. And obviously you have to like ginger in order to like this because it's rather disgusting in my opinion. And in her opinion as well. And in my husband's too. None of us like it, so.
I'll bring it to camp and give it to my friends.
Yeah, this stuff is gonna, I don't know where it's gonna go, but not in my belly. Ew. Okay, so there goes the kids. Kara, Tyler, Stacy. Selling glow sticks glow teeth and some little helicopter glow toy thing. Trying to raise money for their band trip. We are at a church parking lot preparing to watch fireworks. Fireworks is the finale to our town and country fair days. Yes, and my husband's there. Oops, sorry. Okay, we're not lying. We're having some popcorn.
Let's go. It's the shiznits.
Sorry about that. Yeah. Oh, and also another bad thing.
She's drinking Nos.
Nos. This is my fuel. My tackling fuel. No, just kidding. Woo-hoo. Oh, gotta love that. There's a light right there. Hey everyone, here we are at the end of another lovely day, Sunday. I did have a headache today, probably because it's Sunday, the day before work, but it went away, so that's cool. You like my glow stick headband? Such a loony. So we just got back from the fireworks not too long ago. You saw clips from that. Hope you enjoyed. Those were actually professional grade fireworks, which is kind of cool because I didn't get to see any shows on the actual 4th, so that was nice. Like I said, that was the finale to our town and country fair days. And now, starting tomorrow, another community maybe 20 some miles away, they start their fair, and they actually have like 4-H stuff going on there, and they have a racetrack, so they'll have races, like car races and whatnot. So I don't know if we're gonna end up going out there at all or not. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't, so I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Today, food wise, was good until we went to the fireworks, and then I had some popcorn and some Nos, and I even had some little ice cream cone thing. But hey, we're all allowed treats once in a while, right? It's not an everyday occurrence, so that's good. I'm okay with it. Let's see, other than that, other than going to the fireworks and Uprising, which is what the clip of the group, the band singing in that band shell, that was called Uprising, which is a church service that our church does in the park during Town and Country, so that was pretty cool. I actually haven't been to church in a long time, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so, but it was nice. It was, the breeze was good, because it was still pretty hot out, but luckily there was quite a a bit of breeze, and we got lucky enough to find shade to sit in, so it was nice. Just, you know, my husband and I sitting in the park listening to some music. And then from there we came home, had a little bit of dinner, blah blah blah, and then we went to the fireworks. That was pretty much it for the day. The morning was spent lying around watching movies. We were kind of lazy. Not kinda, we were definitely lazy. So I'm thinking that I got some pretty good comments on the In the Kitchen ice cream video that I did yesterday. So I'm kind of thinking that I might try to find a recipe to share each week and do like a little in the kitchen type thing once a week. I'm gonna try. I suck at cooking, and so it will probably be a nice big stumbling block for me, but learning too. So yeah, I'm thinking I might do that. And they would of course be healthy recipes, even if they're you know, sweets, because I've run across recipes using the protein stuff, you know, making brownies and whatnot. So yeah, I've been thinking about that. I wish I could get paid to YouTube. You know, I mean, I've got over 700 and some videos, and I'm not a partner or anything. Why? Because I don't get enough views. 40 views, 50 views, that's not enough. So, and apparently I'm just not all that thrilling and exciting, so I don't get the views. And I'm really not when it comes down to it. So anyway, I think that's it. Off to work tomorrow. And yeah, bye day 6 done. Woo. Yeah, now I need to start getting the exercise in, so do it, grr. Alright, that's it. Peace, love, smile.